there's Harvey. Okay. So, this is for new dads who want to put their socks on so they can go and visit the neighbors. This is Harvey. Say hi, Harvey. And Harvey needs me to hold the bottle in his mouth. Now, I'm thinking if I'm going to go visit the neighbors, I know that when I get there, if I'm invited in, I need to take my shoes off. So I want to wear slippers. But I don't want my old funky bare feet. So I'm going to put some socks on and then put my socks into the slippers, walk on over there, and then I'll just be able to slide them off, since all my hands will be taken. The only problem is, how do I get the sock on? So I got one sock on, and now I was going to show you. Oh, hey Harvey, if Harvey doesn't mind. Yeah. 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 Anyways, I'm going to try to get the other sock on. I'm just going to bring this over here. Cut this through. See if that's a good angle. Alright. So, now it's a little dark and stuff. Let's see. Okay. So, there's the sock, right front and center. I got one on, see? There's the foot that needs to go on. So, I think I'm going to flip him around while I'm holding the bottle. No, that's not going to work. You just got to be quick. Quick flip. Oh. Flip around and reinsert. Okay. That part's taken care of. Now, actually, I wasn't able to do this for the other one, but now I got this kind of one-handed hold the baby's head and the bottle in his mouth. Then it's just a matter of fishing it on. I guess this isn't that big of a deal, but it seemed like a big deal when I was doing it a second ago. I was so proud of it, I thought maybe I'd film it and put it on YouTube. Now I think it'll just be a long, boring-ass video. So, there you go. There's 2 socks on. Now I'm going to go visit neighbors. And try to shut